Hi again. I'm going to do a decode, but this is going to be not. I mean, I don't want to spend too much time. Sometimes I think I spend too much time doing a decode, doing, one, two, three decodes at once. But anyway, Team GB have a magic Monday after 3 goals and 1 silver. 3 goals, 1 silver. And the time 3:13 and 8:25 a.m. That's our time. In Japan, the time's different anyway. What's interesting, 3:13 is a reflection of 133, which is government, and 8:25 and 25 is like yesterday's date equals flood, and London, reflection of London. And UK, since Team GB and UK are the same thing, because Great Britain means Wales, England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, and UK pretty much says so. Right out UK, it's equal 13. And why do I mention this? Because 3 goals and 1 silver is like 3 and 1, which is UK. UK equals 1-3, and they get 1 silver and 3 goals. Again, not just professional sports are by the numbers, but rigged by the numbers, of course. It's also the Olympics, all Olympic competitions going back since they've been around. The modern ones. I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back to Greece or anything, but. Yeah, there you have it. I'd like to mention something else also. There was flooding yesterday in East London. Flooding. What's interesting, East London, which got reported in the news, it was equals 52, like reflection of 25. And London equals 25. Like yesterday was 25 of July. And yes, there was flooding. And the word flood equals 25 in gematria, in the reduction cipher, or otherwise known as the Pythagorean cipher. Anyway, flood equals 25. Then you write out London flooding, it equals 222, like order R chaos, which is also 222. A bit like from 9/11 till the date of the coronavirus pandemic gives you 222 months. Again, order out of chaos. And this, today's the 26th of July, so they're saying tomorrow there might be a typhoon, and it's going to be 56 miles per hour winds to hit Japan, and climate change equals 56, natural disaster equals 56. And what's interesting, let me check how much time do I have. Well, that's good. I don't want to, drag on too much. Weather control. Weather control. 177. Like the Jesuit order, which is also 177. 201, like Jesuit order, which is 201. Tells you who's doing it, of course. Interestingly, weather control is 75, and I just was on that just now. Yeah, weather control equals 75, London flooding equals 75, order I chaos equals 75. So these weather events that we're seeing, they are undoubtedly being done by the federal government. Now, don't get confused. When I say federal government, I don't mean British government, I don't mean Russian government, I don't mean United States government, because federal equals 33, government equals 47. The reason why I call it federal government, because it's a one government system, using this language of gematria to carry out all kinds of psyops. Because as one person put it, news is government, or government is the news. Because many of these stories, if not all of them, but many of them are scripted by the numbers. It's like we're living in a... Everything we see in the media is... Everything, but not all. Everything we see is manipulated, is rigged, is scripted by the numbers. I mean, truly is. I mean, back to the 56, that also equals mind control 56, coronavirus 56, Society of Jesus 56. Society of Jesus operates in 112 countries. And I think I got a bit more time. I don't want to again. I mean, PTI they won in the Azad Kashmir elections. Not that it matters, because all the elections are rigged by the numbers anyway. It doesn't matter who wins. From the 25th of April, that's the date. From the 25th of April till the date of the election gives you 3 months, yeah, and it's 91 days, like 13 weeks and 3 months. And 13 and 3 is government, which is 133. They win with 24 seats, and Imran Khan in one of the, if I type in Imran Khan, I mean, when you see these politicians, cussing each other down, which is what happens in Pakistani politics, but it's no different to any other politics in the world. They might appear to be different, but they're not really. Imran Khan equals 24. The current prime minister. Now I'm sure the result of that election is more than 24 seats or something. But given that it was reported at 24 seats at the time, you can understand why. Did find something else? I mean, this is a real kicker. I mean, look, this is talking about. I just want to focus on what it says here at the first line. 33 constituencies of Azad Kashmir. I don't want to focus on the Jammu and Kashmir part, but I'm focusing on Azad Kashmir. 33, like Masonry 33, Police 33, Federal 33. That's probably why it's got 33 constituencies, because it was carved up, wasn't it, as people know, by the British Empire, who undoubtedly is working for the New World Order, the one world government, the federal government. And the turnout, I mean, they say the turnout was 59 in the end, but the turnout was forecast as 56%. And again, 56. I mean, there's been 1,000 stories linked to 56 in the last year alone, and this is another 56 ritual. I mean, there you have it. That's all I want to say. Might do a live stream possibly, but see you later.